Hello, my math wizards! Welcome to Easy Math Concepts. This is Teacher Jem. Today, let's tackle problems relating to finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Let's find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and so on. To solve this problem, we will be using the nth term formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. First, let's write the sequence. 2 is the first term, 5 is the second term, 8 is the third term, 11 is the fourth term, and 14 is the fifth term, and so on. The first term is called a sub 1, the second term is called a sub 2, the third term is called a sub 3, the fourth term is called a sub 4, and the fifth term is called a sub 5. Looking at these numbers, we can see that as the sequence progresses, the value of the next term also increases. To determine the difference between the previous term and the next term, let's subtract a sub 1 from a sub 2. A sub 2 minus a sub 1. Let's substitute the values. So a sub 2 is equal to 5 and a sub 1 is equal to 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is the common difference denoted by the letter D. So the value of the common difference 3 is added to a sub 1, which is 2, in order to get the value of a sub 2, which is 5. This pattern continues throughout the sequence, with each succeeding number getting an increment of 3. The determination of the common difference is not just limited to subtracting a sub 1 from a sub 2. Since it remains constant, it can also be obtained by getting the difference of other consecutive terms, such as a sub 3 minus a sub 2, a sub 4 minus a sub 3, or a sub 5 minus a sub 4. Let's solve the problem using the nth term formula. Let's first list down all the given information. A sub 1 is equal to 2. N, which is the position of the term in the sequence, is not specified. The common difference D is equal to 3. Let's write the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Let's now plug in the values. A sub 1 is equal to 2 and d is equal to 3. So a sub n is equal to 2 plus quantity n minus 1 times 3. Let's just copy a sub n equals 2 plus. Here, we will multiply these two terms inside the parentheses by 3. So n times 3 is equal to 3n. Let's copy the minus sign. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Let's now group the similar terms. A sub n is equal to 3n plus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. A sub n is equal to 3n minus 1. This is the final answer. Now we have an expression for the nth term for this arithmetic sequence, and we can just use this formula to find any term in the sequence by substituting the value of n. For example, if you want to find the 8th term, you can just use this formula and plug in the value of n. Let's copy the formula. A sub n is equal to 3n minus 1. Let's now plug in the value of n. So a sub 8 is equal to 3 times 8 minus 1. A sub 8 is equal to 24 minus 1. A sub 8 is equal to 23. Now, let's check our answer. We already know the values of a sub 1 up to a sub 5, right? So, if we want to find the value of a sub 6, we'll just have to add the common difference 3 to 14. Therefore, A sub 6 is equal to 17. A sub 7 is equal to 20. And 20 plus 3 is equal to 23, and that is A sub 8. However, this method of manually computing for the nth term is not practical for large numbers because it's going to be time-consuming and tedious. Number 2, find the 76th term of the arithmetic sequence 6, 13, 20, 27, and so on. First, let's rewrite the sequence. Let's label the numbers. 6 is A sub 1, 13 is A sub 2, 20 is A sub 3, and 27 is A sub 4. The difference between consecutive terms is 7, so 6 plus 7 is equal to 13, 13 plus 7 is equal to 20, and 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. Let's jot down all the given information. In this problem, we will be computing for the value of A76, which is the nth term. A sub 1 is equal to 6, n is equal to 76, and d is equal to 7. Let's write down the nth term formula. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Let's substitute the values. So A sub 76 is equal to 6 plus quantity 76 minus 1 times 7. A76 is equal to 6 plus 75 times 7. A76 is equal to 6 plus, let's multiply 75 by 7. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. We write down 5 and carry 3. 7 times 7 is equal to 49 plus 3 is equal to 52. Let's write 525 here. 6 plus 525 is equal to 531. So A76 is equal to 531. That's it, guys. Easy peasy, right? And to all my math wizards, I hope you find the content of my video valuable. Keep learning, because you're the real magic in the math world. Thank you for watching. See you next time.